What's up everybody? So still day number 2 of the pivot points, and the only reason I'm making this video, second video on the same day, is because this engulfing candle. Now one of the things I want you will know, when the market melted down, I already was risk-free. My stop loss was 2 pips in profit, and I want to explain you why I'm all the time putting my stop loss 1 or 2 pips in profit, because as a swing trader, many times the market moves up, down, up, down, up, down, sideways. I'm basically holding trades into a storm. And many times when people put in their stop loss in, let's say, deep in profit, when the market making those moves, it just take them out. So maybe they made like a little bit, less than 1%, but it's not worth it. Because eventually what happened, the market keep moving up for a greater target. But when I'm putting only 1 or 2 pips in profit, if it will go completely against me, I will close risk-free, and those 2 pips in profit will cover commissions, so eventually I didn't lose nothing. But if the market will not pull back completely to my entry and will choose to make higher low, then I'm going to see the market go for a higher target, and in other words, I'm going to make more money without to do nothing. The trade will work for me. So this is one of the main reasons why I'm putting stop loss 1 or 2 pip in profit. Now when the market melted down like that, as mentioned on the previous video, I saw support like that. And I know it's not accurate because those lines reacting as support lines, and trend lines obviously is 90% stronger. So I took a trend line from the lows of the W. I took the low and tapped as many candles as possible, and I saw how the market sit on the trend line. Plus I used fib low to the high, and I saw how it's lined up perfectly with 61.8. Now about the risk reward. I know it's 1 to 2 plus minus, even a little bit less, but the only reason you see it in this way, it's because I want to teach you about pivot. So I didn't completely react to the risk reward. Like I don't really care if it's 1 to 2 right now. The main idea is to teach you pivot. If it was based on me, according to swing, 130.20, 45 number story exactly, and then I have 1 to 5.6, and you can see I will be fine. Even if you use the pivot and use exactly the number story, also you get 1 to 4, and it's absolutely okay. It's more than 1 to 3, the minimum that I told you that it's better for when you trade Forex. But anyway, I use the restructure, smaller target, it is what it is, and the next video I will make tomorrow, and that's it.